I missed a couple months worth of news. I'm sorry. Let's catch up right now. Let's talk about it. Harley whores out their IP. Harley recently inked a deal with CCA, or Creative Artist Agency, to get their brands in TV, films, music, and even podcasts. Now, don't get me wrong. I think it's very important to bring people to the Harley-Davidson brand, but I hope they don't alienate people like me and you that actually purchase motorcycles and not just t-shirts. Harley-Davidson recalls 65,000 Softails. They're recalling the Softails for a rear shock fastener that could allow the adjuster to contact the rear tire. They say that 65,000 is only 1% of all Softails sold from 2018 to 2023. As of what I've read, there's only been 33 claims made so far, and Harley said that they will correct the problem free of charge. But I couldn't find any mention as if it's actually contacted the rear tire, if they're going to replace that rear tire as well. I'll leave a list of the affected models down in the description, as well as who to contact if you have not received your recall letter as of yet. The Harley-Davidson Board of Directors authorized a repurchase of 10 million shares of Harley-Davidson stock. Now, I'm no financial expert, but I've seen a lot of companies doing this lately. I'm just curious, what is the motivation behind this? Is there something coming that we don't know about yet? Obviously, the big news that I missed, but I kind of covered in my May news wrap up, was the release of the CVOs. Now, I watched the release video like you probably did, and it's kind of cool to see what will be coming in the future for plebs like us that can't afford a $40,000, $50,000 CVO. But I gotta say, there's more than a few hits and misses. The hits that I want to mention are obviously the radio mounted Brembos, the inverted forks, as well as the infotainment system / gauges. Now for the misses. You now offer factory Öhlins. Why are they not on this motorcycle for the price tag that you're asking? Harley-Davidson launches a new membership program. On June 20th, Harley-Davidson launched their new HD membership program. Now, the HD membership is free, but you can earn monetary rewards a few ways. And those ways are by engaging with the Harley-Davidson community on the app, as well as going on rides, as well as 1 point for every dollar spent, which means $500 will mean $5 back to you. It seems there will be paid levels of membership though, which will be called Access Pass and Rider Pass. For the Access Pass, you'll get exclusive access to key brand events as well as content. Then there'll be benefits such as enhanced rider rewards and partner benefits. Rider Pass will include such things as roadside assistance, motorcycle service benefits, and partner benefits. By partner benefits, I'm assuming that's going to mean third-party companies. I don't know for sure. Don't quote me on that. In addition, HOG members get extended roadside assistance, inspection benefits, and special HD rewards for engagement. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm sorry I missed a couple months. I'm trying to catch back up. I really do like bringing you guys the news about Harley-Davidson. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember, V-Twinkie, we build it to ride.